vessel. What to do?
Crank's wide open too, isn't it?
Yeah, I saw a big spin out.
Yeah. How long will it keep until it runs out of gas?
Yeah.
No one's commanding this vessel.
Put them on it. Have to jump on for it.
They just rescued the driver.
My wake is making them go tighter.
Okay. That's a good thing? Okay.
Oh, you need help?
Can get him on yours?
Yeah, you know, if you keep a wake on that boat, it'll stay tight. I did one wake on it, it keeps it going tight.
I tried to get him out of the water.
Yeah. Can you put his foot, can you get your foot on the trim tab?
Yeah. Keep an eye on that boat for us.
Yeah, yeah.
If it starts to turn, let us know.
How much gas you got in there? Oh, shit.
Do you think you can get him in this skiff?
We're not a whole lot different.
Not a whole lot different. All right.
You can get his foot on this trim tab.
There goes the boat. All right, we're getting the passenger up out of the water. One. Yeah.
You're
right.
good, you're good. It's all right.
Hook it on the cleat. That seems dangerous.
Call the Coast Guard.
No, I have not. But you guys got their number?
Just stay away from that boat in case it straightens up.
What's the number for the Coast Guard? 1-800 Coast Guard?
Hey, there's a Ranger bay boat that the guy fell off of, and it's going about 30 miles an hour in circles over here. They got the guy out of the water, but you got a VHF? Call the
I got
Coast
you,
Guard,
Barb.
let 'em know.
They got him in.
Okay, we got their number. So we're about 1.5 miles north of the second bridge. I don't even know what bridge that is. Yeah, that must be the giant.
I'm sure the life jackets are secured in the hole somewhere.
All right. Let's see how far it's traveling. So when I put a wake on it, it cuts more inside. He's going to travel until he hits that bridge, and it's going to be, unless somebody,
That one?
yeah.
There's a bridge way out here. It might make it there eventually and hit the bridge.
How long will it, how many hours will it run wide open like that?
Probably could, depending on how big, it could go 10 hours.
Really?
TJ, there is no one in the boat. The passenger fell overboard somehow.
I saw him do a really crazy maneuver and spin the boat out. I saw this big blow up of water, and then I saw it starting to hook around, and I realized, oh, this guy just got thrown out of the boat.
So what, he hits a wave or something? And, I mean, how does that happen?
Yeah.
Must have lost control.
Well, bad hull design. He was turning too hard and skipped it. So, well, that's their boat. Not my boat.
All right,
We're going fishing.
let's go fishing.